Trim wet and dry at no additional cost with the Centurion Pro Tabletop Bud Trimming Machine. This compact and highly powerful tumble-style trimmer will allow you to trim 6 pounds per hour of dry material and 30 pounds per hour of wet material, increasing your work and saving you money. This can replace 6 human trimmers. This machine is surprisingly lightweight and compact even with a durable stainless body, weighing only 35 pounds and 21 inches high. It is unique in regards to the ease of keeping the blade clean thanks to the magnetic blade holding technology. Cleanup will only take you 5 minutes. It can do an astonishing 20,000 cuts per minute. Its unique diverter will help fine-tune the flow and cut on different strains. It works to give the grower the ability to quickly adjust to different strains or densities of flowers. And not like any other brand, this has an insane 10-year warranty. Shop the Centurion Pro Tabletop Trimmer at Grow Light Heaven, with fast and free shipping on top of already guaranteed best prices.